Well, Dean, first start tomorrow against Harlequins. You must be really excited.
Yeah, I am. It's a really big opportunity, really. I think not only for me in my first game in the Premiership, which it's obviously been something I've been thinking about for a while since I sort of signed to come over here. I've always wanted to do that, so it's a big opportunity for me, but also I think for the team it's pretty exciting to have Quins down here and the opportunity we have to finish a good block before heading into a different competition next week.
I was going to say, you couldn't have asked for a tougher start, the defending champions.
No, it's exactly what you want. Yeah, I think you want to see what you got, and Quins have been going particularly well this year too, so it's a real test for us as a team. I'm more than happy to try and see what I've got against them.
You're a few weeks into life at the Chiefs. How have you integrated?
I don't know. It's not for me to answer. I don't think. I think it's for the boys to answer. But I've really enjoyed my time so far. It's been really good to come through, and I've been lucky to play a couple of games with the Braves and in the A-League, and I've really enjoyed that. It's also given me a really good opportunity to play with and get to know a lot of the younger boys in the team, so I've really enjoyed that.
After last week, the boys must be itching to bounce back at the first opportunity. Yeah,
that's been the feeling throughout the week. I think last week perhaps didn't go as well as many would have liked, but it's the best thing about rugby is you've only got to wait a week really, and then you get another opportunity, and as you said, it's a great one in the Quins, and so bring on tomorrow, I suppose.
You saw the sort of match day experience here against Sarries and that, and we talked about it this morning. You're quite excited by hearing the old tomahawk chop and things like that.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, no, I think the tribalism in the crowds that you have here, particularly, I think Sandy Buck sort of personifies it better than anyone else in the Premiership, I think. And the spirit that's held within the crowd is significant, and something I was pretty impressed by when I was in the crowd last time, and I'll get to experience in the middle this time, so I consider myself pretty lucky.
Then obviously a good result tomorrow will give you the perfect momentum to take into that Leinster game.
Yeah, that's right. What a big opportunity, but that's a week away. A lot can happen tomorrow, and I think that's all we need to worry about. But some momentum going into that would be nice. They're both pretty big challenges, but we'll take the first one.
Brilliant,
tomorrow.
Thanks, Dean.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers, mate.